Wait lang pre, kailangan tingnan mo pre. Tingnan mo si Josh dito pre, yung pagkaganon ng likod niya. Parang bali na yung likod niya pre, tingnan mo pre yung gaano ka. May likod na dito. Hey! Hey! Napaka... So, ayun na nga, pre. Look at that crowd, my man. What the F? So, nasa Times Square daw yung Times Square, New York daw ang ating mga boys at magpe-perform sila dito, pre. Ha? Dito sa kung saan to? Gitna ba to ng ano ba to? Man, I don't know, man. All I know is, man, our boys is going international, man. Woo! This is napakalupit, no? Ganon tayo mag-Taglish dito, my guys. So, eto na, panonoodin na natin yung performance nila sa Times Square, New York. Hindi ko alam kasi wala akong idea kung anong lugar to. Pero nasa gitna sila ng, you know, a public place. Sa labas, outdoors, man. So, let's do this. Ano kayang pe-perform nila dito? Let's go. A Cream Zone. Men, by the way, napansin ko to si ate dito yung dito sa right side, yung naka-black na jacket o cardigan ba yan? Pero hindi yan siya Pinoy, di ba? Oh, I assume, no? I don't, I don't know that. Pero, parang hindi siya Pinoy, parang ibang lahi sila dyan. Pero, you can see them enjoying, man. Grabe yung pag-vibe nila. Tingnan mo, pre. Oh, ayan, oh, yung naka-black and, di ba? Man! What the F, man? This is how you know, man, that the boys is going international, man. Because we are being appreciated globally. What the F? At may dadaan na eroplano. Ha? Alright, so by the way, kung balik natin dito kay Josh. Grabe yung sayo ni Josh dito. Wait lang pre, kailangan tingnan mo pre. Tingnan mo si Josh dito pre, yung pagkaganon ng likod niya. Parang bali na yung likod niya pre, tingnan mo pre yung gaano ka. May likod na dito. Hey! Hey! Napaka... Wait lang. This is all awesome and amazing, but I have a question. Tanong lang naman, no. Wala akong naririnig na music dito. What is happening? Is this a cappella? Sayaw version? A cappella sayaw. Di ko alam anong tawag sa sayaw nun, pero sa kanta, di ba, a cappella pag walang music. Ano to? A cappella sayaw version. What the F, man? Walang ano ba? Ako lang ba niyan? Di nakakarinig? Nakamute ba? O, naririnig ko naman yung mga tao eh. So meaning, wala talagang music. Sumasayaw ang mga boys sa pagkanta ng crowd. Man! Who does that? Who do stuff like that, man? That's amazing. Can you imagine that? You are dancing wildly. Nababalo na yung mga boys o grabe yung pagbali nila sa mga lieg nila at mga katawan, pre. Without having music. Just the music that comes from 18. That's it. And that's gonna be better, man. That is better than music itself. That's why I get it now. Let's go. Oh, nagubad na nga si Justin. Oh, wait, man. Ang ating baby boy. Justin, itigil mo ang iyong sarili. Pigilan mo. Huwag ganyan. Huwag kasi. Kalma, 18. Kalma ka, ikaw, kumalma ka. Justin on the move, man. Let's go. Man, Justin. Pre, Master. What the F? Pati ang eroplano, dadaan, magsumasang-ayon na sobra yan. What is that, Master? Justin, Master. Please. More. Let's go, bro. Nilapitan talaga sila ni Stel, pre. Nababaliw na. What the F, bro? Hey, hey. Oh, the swag. The swag. Yung swag ni Ken dito, pre, ang angas. Look at this, man. Ano si Ken dito, pre, ah? Hey, bro. Hey, hey! Hey! Give it up, bro. Uy, so papasok na sila. So, this is for the vlog, I guess. Hey! Hey, what the F, bro? Tapos magano sila, picture sila sa fans. Ah, ang pakaswerte. Oh, may pa-appear pa, pre. Dang! Paano yun? Para ba yun sa ano nila, sa vlog nila sa channel? Oh, they just perform para sa crowd. What just happened? Man, no, sari-sari na, pre. Sari-sari na mga lahi ang dito, pre. Man, they watched that performance, bro. They enjoyed that. What the F, bro? Oh, iba-ibang lahi yan, pre. Man, we are global. International Artists SP19, bro. Wow! Wala, ba't di siya nakipag-selfie? Hindi niya napansin yung isa. Oh, may Chinese. I assume that's Chinese, bro. May mga iba-ibang lahi. Let's go. Oh! Man, wait lang. Ay, what the F? Yung pag-picture ni Pinuno dun sa last part, yung nakadikit yung mukha niya, I saw that one. At saka may nakita din akong parang meet and greet nila na nakadikit. Ay, kinis ata siya nung ni nanay, something lola. Kinis si Pablo dito. As in, parang unbothered siya, man. He doesn't give a F, man. Yung pag yung fans na papapic, tas dikit yung mukha, he doesn't give an F. Grabe. Sobrang down to earth to mga boys, man. And they deserve all this success they're having, man. What's not to love? That's all I can say. What's not to love about this, man? These are all amazing. Wonderful, amazing, talented motherfuckers. Man, they're awesome. That's it, man. You have been amazing, guys. This has been Courage PH. You have been awesome. Take care. God bless. Let's go.